Hello, thank you very much for joining me for today's video. Today I'll be talking about how to set a sales price for a product with variant. This is a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. Obviously, the first thing we have to do is we have to make our product. Let's do our product, sorry. Let's add it. Let's give it a title. Let's name it, for example, test. Let's give it a price of 10 zlotys, for example. Let's see here. Yep, and then save. There you go. Now, here's the important thing. Once we make the product, let's make, for example, two variants. For example, first one is named large, and the second one is named medium, for example. Done. Okay, now as you can see, we have two variants. In order for us to set sales for the first variant, we just have to click on edit. This is the price of it. So in order for us to give it sell, let's leave it in the original. Let's put the original price here, and then let's say, for example, that there's a 50% sell. So now it's going to be cost 5 zlotys. Done. We can also do the same for this. Let's say that the original price is, for example, let's do here 6, and now it became 3 zlotys because of the 50% off. Done. There you go. Now, if we click on preview, if we go on preview, as you can see, now this is what we see. We have, let's save this one first. Let's click on preview. And then that's it. As you can see, we have large, it's 5 zloty, and the medium is 3 zloty. And then that's it. This is how you do the sales price for the product with variant. Thank you very much and have a great day.